What's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe and also follow me on my socials. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys a few different types of eyeliner that is like more catered towards beginners because guys, there's countless like types of eyeliner that can make like different kind of shapes, colors, whatever. But today I'm going to show you guys the ones that I personally like to draw and I find it like the easiest. Okay, number one is going to be the eyeshadow eyeliner. This is literally the easiest. If you're super new to makeup, like you should totally try this if you're too scared to like put actual dark eyeliner. So I would say just grab a super dark eyeshadow like black, brown, whatever. So today I'm just gonna go for this one. And for prop, you're gonna need this kind of brush, something that is very flat and a little bit more like stiff. Like you say you can't draw eyeliner for life, this is what you gotta do. Wrap that right there. You gotta angle this in the wing that you want. So if you want super high wing, you're gonna do like that, middle wing, low wing, okay? I'm gonna just go for the middle wing right here. Boom, stamp. Did you see that? But I do want a little bit longer, so let me bring that out. And I'm going to stop right here. For my monolid girlies, if the inner side doesn't show, honestly, you could just like draw another triangle right here from the highest point of your eye. And from here, if you just fill in that triangle, there you got your eyeliner. So easy, super simple, looks super cute, and it's really natural. Perfect for a daily. You know, there are some type of people that don't look good in strong eyeliner colors. So in that case, I would say go a little bit more blurry by using the eyeshadow. And if you want to fill in the inner side, it's totally up to you. So you can just do this. Let's erase this now. Okay, next one is by using the pencil eyeliner. If you want low maintenance makeup, like you don't want to put eyeshadow and eyeliner like whatsoever, then you could do 2-in-1 with pencil eyeliner. The good thing about pencil is that they're very blendable and they spread out very easily. But also the con about this is that they smudge really well, so you just gotta choose. But what you wanna do is I'm gonna start filling this in. And for the wing, I'll just naturally take it out. And now from here, I'm gonna grab a brush that is slightly more blendable but very thin at the same time because we need it very like focused in certain areas. So from here, I'm gonna start blending the pencil out and kind of make that into an eyeshadow. So now the transition is very interesting. Like I have an eyeshadow slash eyeliner, like it's doing 2-in-1. So this is a really easy way to skip your like steps in the morning if you're in a rush. I'm not really gonna touch the bottom area because I do want that area to be the strongest. So only the top, just start blending it out. And I would recommend you not to touch the wing at all because we do want that a little bit sharper. But you gotta be careful because it might smudge down here. So in that case, I don't know if you ever heard of this one, but this is like viral in Korea right now. And it's like a brush type, like manicure. So just swipe it on your eye and it's gonna seal. Like it's not gonna move. Period. And you could use this on eyeliner, mascara, and eyebrows. So honestly, mascara does smudge my eyes too, so I just put it on my mascara. Lifesaver, especially for monolids or you have oily eyes, like your eye makeup always erases. I highly recommend. Okay, let me just show you the most basic of the basic eyeliner. So as you know, I am a monolid, but we do not need to make our eyeliner super thick like my troll videos. Like that's literally for fun. I'm gonna do the puppy eyeliner. So to have the inner corner really thin. So I just filled in a little bit right on top of my eyes. And you know how my eye shape is like going down like that? I'm literally just gonna follow that, okay? Grab here. Follow that down. After I bring that down, just fill that in to be a little bit prettier. And boom, there's your eyeliner. Super natural. Perfect for daily. And from here you can make it longer, you can make it slightly thicker. I wouldn't say to go too thick with this one because this is just naturally following your outline of the eye. But let's say you want to be slightly more like cat look, then I would tell you to just erase this part a little bit. From here, just slightly go up and just connect that. And now it's going up. It's a little bit more cat-like more than the puppy. Like this little slight angles of your eyeliner really matters a lot. Like it changes the whole vibe. Now I'm gonna move on to my daily eyeliner, which is a little bit thicker and a little bit more dramatic than this. So let me just erase the back part. For those that know, my daily makeup is a little bit stronger. I like to go for a smokier look, but I won't go too much like that, okay? And for my wing, I do like to go a little bit high with that because I do like the cat look. I feel like it looks great on monolids. So let me just bring that up. Just like that. And I like to go a little long too, so that will be my length. But then from here, I'm gonna open my eyes. Not the edge of your eyeball, not the edge right here, kind of like the middle of that. I'm gonna make a dot right here where like it's about to show, but it's not really showing, like just right at the borderline. Now when I open my eyes, I see the dot right there. So now I'm gonna connect this to the edges. A little bit more in a straighter line instead of like the curving. And I'm gonna connect the inner side as well with that dot. Just like that, and now you got that cat look, and this is my daily eyeliner. But honestly, I don't do this much when I don't have any eyeshadow on. I feel like it looks the best and balanced when I do have eyeshadow to have this kind of a long eyeliner. And from here, just another tip, I like to have a little bit of eyeshadow on top of the eyeliner to have a better transition with either my like raw color or other eyeshadow colors. So I'm gonna grab this color, maybe kind of like mix these two, and then I'm just gonna blur out the edge of the eyeliner. I'm not really gonna touch the edges too much, but mostly on the inner and the middle side. Just like that, and now the transition is a little bit more smoother and it looks a little bit more blurred out and natural. And let me just draw the other side really quick so I don't end the video with this kind of face. But that is it for my tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or need help, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any video recommendations, also let me know. And don't forget to like this video and also to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!